sell an air conditioning flush gun kit. I recommend taking a funnel. I'm going to just use a bulk thing, and I usually fill them up about a third with flush chemical, because it's better to do this in multiple stages than one shot through the whole system. Also, flush chemical itself being expensive, you don't want to use more than you have to. So once the flush is in there, simply close the gun, and there's an air valve on top that will hook to your shop air. Wear safety goggles. Also, do not get these flush guns anywhere near a battery or a positive line. It's possible to ground this out against an electrical component. It's full of flammable liquid. Obviously, it's a safety hazard at that point. So we attach our shop air to it, making sure everything is tight. Open our air valve. I set that in a convenient place, and we flush through the component. And I do more of a pulsating type flush. Rather than squirt all the flush through there at one time, I just kind of work it through. And then you'll hear it going underneath the vehicle into our catch can. And once it's cleared, then we can chase it through with air. And just let the air flow through it. Now normally, I'm going to do this procedure 3 times. There's not a set spec how many times you need to do it, but that's kind of what usually works for me to get the oil out. Don't be surprised though if you have a very dirty or very oily system, or something that's been open for a long time, that you need to use more chemical. It's better to use more chemical than not enough chemical, because you just want these systems cleaned out. So we're going to go ahead now, and we're going to run another pass. We close our air valve, take our air off, and slowly open the air valve. That relieves the pressure inside this can. Then we can open the can up. I'm going to go to a bench and fill it up again, and we're going to make one more pass.